Hello artists, Miss Watson here. I'm going to be modeling for you how to create a Romero Britto inspired art piece on Sketchpad. So here I am in Sketchpad with my blank canvas. I'm going to go to the shape tool. I'll click on the star. You can select any shape that you want to work with. You can also select a clip art. I'm going to model using a heart. I'm going to take the line width. I'm going to push that up. And you'll notice how here the outline of the heart is changing. Remember that Romero Britto uses a bold outline. So I'm going to select a bright pink and I'm going to draw that heart. Move it down. So now I have my center object. Then Romero Britto took inspiration from Pablo Picasso in breaking up his compositions into shapes. So I'm going to click on the line tool. Again, I'm going to push the width up and I'm going to draw my lines. First, I'm going to click. So I dropped my first point and I'm going to drag it to the corner, click, and drop my second point. Now I want to hit enter. When I hit enter, it drops the line. I'm going to do the same thing, but watch what happens when I don't hit enter. The line keeps going. I want to make sure that I hit enter so it drops the line onto your composition. I'm going to continue to break up my background into different sections. Again, making sure that I hit enter to drop that line. I also want to break up the inside of my composition. And you can decide how many different sections you want. You can have as many or as few as you want. So I kind of like that. Now I want to go to my paint bucket. I want to make sure that I'm under pixel fill, because remember, pixel fill fills in just one area. And again, I want to focus on the colors towards the bottom because those are my brighter colors. So I could add a bright yellow there. Maybe I'll go and do a purple. Let's add, Romero Britto used a lot of nice, beautiful greens. So I'm gonna move this around and you'll see you can move these circles to find the exact color that you want to use. And let's get some blue in there as well. So now I have my composition broken up. Now another thing that Romero Britto was known for was his patterns. So I'm going to use the paintbrush tool. I'm going to turn the blur all the way down, and again I can alternate the width. I'm going to change this to yellow, and I'm going to add some polka dots into I can also add some stripes. Turn that down a little bit. Now you'll notice that some of this line is coming over, so I can right click and I can send to front and see how it sent that right behind. So I'm going to continue that same idea throughout all of the different sections of my composition until I decide that it's complete. It is your choice. However, you want to make sure that you do have at least 1, 2, 3, 4 sections with a pattern. I hope this video is helpful. I can't wait to see your compositions.